People who are unaware of the perpetual debt cycle may find themselves trapped in this dangerous loop indefinitely. It's remarkably easy to spiral deeper into this continuous cycle of making monthly payments to the bank for various purchases, making it nearly impossible to become debt-free or invest in your future. Those aware of this cycle and committed to breaking it will find it tremendously easier to become financially free, even with a modest income. Debt can even be utilized to their benefit, making it easier to acquire substantial wealth. Consider the seemingly never-ending debt cycle many succumb to. Discover how you can easily amass considerable wealth by taking advantage of this trap. Welcome to Cashflow Canvas, where we teach lessons about investment and money-saving techniques. If you want to make your financial future better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Many young adults begin their financial journey in high school. College can indeed be a valuable asset, offering various opportunities later in life, such as a better career and higher compensation. However, overpaying for a degree can mark the start of years of debt repayment that snowballs. Opting for a college that is far beyond their budget for prestige or selecting a field of study not aligned with their post-graduation plans can lead to losing interest in the subject or disliking the job's demands, prompting a shift to an entirely different career. After graduating from college or even high school, replacing that worn-out hand-me-down car becomes a priority to ensure reliable transportation. The temptation to finance a new car while on an entry-level income, lacking significant savings, is real. It could take years to save enough cash for the purchase, so why not take out a loan? You might drive away in a brand new car right away with a car loan. The typical new automobile payment in the United States ranges between $650 and $700 per month. But what's the issue if you can afford those monthly payments while gazing at that shiny new car in the showroom, with a salesman assuring you'll drive away in it? Owning that new vehicle on the same day is highly enticing, but it makes an already slippery slope even slicker. Once your mode of transportation improves, it's likely time to consider moving out of your apartment or your parents' house and venturing into home ownership. With first-time homebuyer programs requiring only 3% down, home ownership isn't out of reach. However, remember to account for all major expenses, rising taxes, insurance, heating and cooling, and especially maintenance, which tends to be higher than one might anticipate. Budget for emergency repairs and significant expenses like a new roof. Many overlook this aspect, resulting in housing expenses beyond their budget. A few years after becoming a homeowner, you may feel it's time to start a family, potentially necessitating a safer and more reliable car. A large SUV for your new family should ideally be brand new, equipped with every safety feature. Your spouse will need one too, so why not get both at once? They're expensive, but as your income grows slightly with more work experience and starting a family, you feel justified. You might decide to postpone saving for retirement because your family is expanding, and the house you purchased earlier is feeling cramped. Putting your first home on the market while searching for a larger one seems logical, right? An adequate number of bedrooms for each child, space for weekend guests, an additional living area, a garage for cars and storage, and a sizable backyard become essential. More square footage means higher costs for heating, cooling, and maintenance, but using equity from your previous home as a down payment may mitigate this increase. The house may be spacious for the family, but weekends and summers feel a bit dull. Imagine the enjoyment of an RV or a boat, spending leisure time camping and exploring with the family. Long-term financing for these is available, and the memories made are priceless. While the family enjoys quality time, it's crucial to reward yourself as well. After all, you're not getting any younger. When selecting your college and field of study, it's wise to consider retirement. As life slows down, thoughts about the future intensify. You don't wish to work indefinitely, but rather travel and relish your senior years. However, a lack of substantial savings poses a challenge. You've toiled day after day, year after year, paying bills without extravagance, yet you find yourself unprepared for retirement. The debt cycle is a steep slope leading down the wrong financial path. How do you avoid being ensnared in this loop of monthly payments? Adopting a frugal lifestyle early on allows you to reverse the cycle, working for a few months or years post-high school to afford higher education or choosing a more affordable institution, graduating with minimal debt. Carefully consider career paths with high earning potential relative to education. Many careers don't mandate a college degree and offer lucrative compensation. Instead of immediately upgrading your lifestyle through debt, earn before you spend. Drive an older car, share accommodation for longer periods, and save a substantial down payment for your home. As your family expands, resist the urge to upgrade every possession, including vehicles. Keeping monthly obligations low allows for more financial flexibility, enabling earlier investments. Early frugality and emphasis on investing ensure that as your family grows, so does your financial stability. When your children depart for college and retirement seems distant, solid investment portfolios ensure financial preparedness. Starting on the right financial path early makes it easier to stay on track later. Debt isn't entirely negative. When used effectively, it becomes a powerful asset-building tool. The wealthy utilize debt more than anticipated, but not for depreciating items or recurring expenses like cars and toys. They leverage debt to acquire assets, financing a rental property, for instance, breaking free from the never-ending debt cycle. Debt can be an incredible tool yielding great benefits, but misusing it creates substantial problems. It's effortless to accumulate loan after loan once accustomed to regular payments, exacerbating the existing debt. Avoid falling prey to the never-ending debt cycle, draining your finances with no progress. Early habits of minimizing debts while prioritizing assets that multiply and repay multiple times over pave the way to financial success. As we conclude, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video and learned something new, and I look forward to seeing you in our future videos. I would deeply value it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support will help us to create more valuable content, and we can work together to secure your financial future. What are the key takeaways from this video that you can share in the comment section?